What if your next home was a part of city built around water, spirituality and luxury? With three islands, a massive central lake, a golf course and Kashi-inspired ghat. Well, that's exactly what Urban Equacity is all about. And here's something exciting. Urban Smart Spaces is coming up with its new phase at Urban Equacity. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Urban Equacity Phase 3 by Urban Smart Spaces located in Kalyangarh, Ahmedabad. And by the end of this video, you'll be knowing about a complete project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process and even about launch offers and many more. Now before moving further, I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. And Urban Equacity is 500 acre of township where in this phase they are coming up with 700 plots. अब बात करते हैं लोकेशन की तो ये प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड है इन कल्याणगढ़ ऑफ अहमदाबाद राजकोट हाईवे इन अहमदाबाद राजकोट हाईवे 3 minutes away. Nal Sarovar Lake 40 minutes. Bawla is 18 minutes away from the project. Now about the amenities part, which is actually the game changer. You get Ahmedabad's largest central lake comprising 3 islands, like Island of Leisure, Island of Nirvana, inspired by Kashi Ghat, featuring 11 temples including one Jain Dirasar. Luxury resort, 5-sectoral clubhouse with state-of-art amenities, 38 acres of golf course, meditation center and many more. अब बात करते हैं प्लॉट साइज की एंड ये फेज में आपको 700 प्लॉट्स मिलेंगे विद साइजेस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 3600 स्क्वायर फीट, 4500 स्क्वायर फीट, 5400 स्क्वायर फीट, 7200 स्क्वायर फीट एंड 9531 स्क्वायर फीट. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द बुकिंग प्रोसेस. एंड हमारा ये फेज अभी प्री लॉन्च स्टेज में है. सो वी आर ओपन विद द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज EOI. So interested clients can come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI, that is expression of interest. So everyone, this was a teaser of Urban Equacity Phase 3 by Urban Smart Spaces located in Kalyangarh, Ahmedabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.